President Trump's clash with the courts intensifying this week as the White House ramps up attacks on judges who've slowed the president's agenda. Attorney General Pam Bondi vowing to take the administration's battle over recent deportation flights of 261 alleged Venezuelan gang members to a prison in El Salvador all the way to the Supreme Court.
261 reasons why Americans are safer today, and that's because those people are now in an El Salvador prison.
The president still fuming at the federal judge who temporarily paused the deportations based on Trump's use of the rarely used Alien Enemies Act of 1798. Lashing out at the judge Sunday as a, quote, constitutional disaster. That judge said Friday that the Justice Department's responses to his questions have been, quote, woefully insufficient. Today, an appeals court will hear the administration's request to overturn that temporary pause.
We will be in court Monday again. We will win.
More than 36 federal court rulings have at least temporarily paused the president's various initiatives. Trump over the weekend expanding his fight from judges to lawyers, issuing a memo ordering law enforcement to punish law firms and attorneys who challenge administration actions in court in ways the White House finds meritless or unfair, including revoking security clearances or canceling federal contracts. It comes as the administration deported another group of Venezuelan migrants Sunday, including alleged Tren de Aragua gang members. This time back to Venezuela, which had long refused to take back its citizens. Border Czar Tom Homan vowing to work around the court-ordered pause to continue deportations.
I don't care what that judges think as far as this case. We're going to continue to arrest public safety threats and national security threats. We're going to continue to deport them from the United States.
Meanwhile, Garrett, there's a high-profile visit planned to Greenland. Second Lady Usha Vance is there. What's expected? What's the reaction there?
Yeah, something a little different here. The White House announced yesterday that Usha Vance will go later this week. They say with the goal of learning about Greenland's culture and traditions, even attending a national dog sled race there. The National Security Advisor Mike Waltz and Energy Secretary Chris Wright will also attend, per two administration sources, perhaps signaling the larger goal here. President Trump has proposed taking over the mineral-rich island, quote, one way or another, citing national security reasons. Now, Greenland's prime minister is blasting the visit and has taken issue with the National Security Advisor in particular going, adding, quote, the only purpose is to show a demonstration of power to us, and the signal is not to be misunderstood. Savannah?
All right, we'll be watching that one, Garrett. Thank you very much.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.